You can also insert openings in the 3D view. In fact, after selecting the opening object from the drawing menu, you can click on the building envelope entity inside which you want to insert the opening. We can freely position the opening by simply moving it around, with dynamic updates of all measurements from the side and from the reference plane. Once the correct position is identified, a second click fixes the object in place. The opening's position from the reference plane can also be defined by keyboard value input. But even after insertion, we can still select the measurement to edit and enter a new value. As you can see, the opening is repositioned dynamically.